What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I will be rearranging things in the chicken coop, okay? And I'm gonna tell you why I did what I did and why you should too. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Ricky Jones Jr. back again for another video. And like I said, we gonna be dealing with the chickens today, which in large part, like I said in Monday's video, my mother was like, hey, what's going on with the chickens? Well, let me show you, let me tell you, they're not dead, they're still alive, they're doing well, they're eating well, and now we're gonna make sure that they're living well, okay? Because we're gonna have to put the nesting boxes in there shortly, because they should be laying eggs by next month, which is September, right? So we're gonna make sure those things are intact. But before then, let me show you all the current coop, but then even talk to you about what I'm gonna do, okay? Wait, and if it's your first time on this here channel, or second time, third time, fourth time, a lot of y'all, it's your multiple time, okay? So go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn it from a red button into a gray button, as we are on our way to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. And with the help of you, we can be there that much faster, okay, y'all? So let's go ahead and get into the coo. Hey ladies, okay, so the first things first, there was a long piece of wood that I had here that I did move because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it and if it will actually work. Wow, look at that earthworm, y'all. Y'all don't see this earthworm? Look, look. They worried about me. Look at the earthworm. Okay, they'll eat it, they'll figure it out. But anyway, there was a long piece of wood that I had here that I have now moved, in which I'm going to space things out a little bit differently. I did put the water there, it was on the table, so I have been making some moves just to kind of get things going in my mentals, but now I'm ready to go ahead and get things going. I added this hanging feeder area as well with the center block so that they can step on. They are very smart, so don't think that this won't be used, okay? They will step on here to get to there because they stepped on one to get to the watering situation before. But nonetheless, I'm gonna move this because it's a pooping mess. And I noticed there's probably some termites because I'm seeing things getting eaten away, and I don't think chickens eat wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I don't want that to be a problem anywhere. Hey lady, what's up? You ready to go to sleep? This is your perching area. What you doing? So obviously this works well. She's already comfortable with it even during the day, but I'm gonna leave that alone, right? But we are going to make sure everything is nice and neat and in order. They do love this, use this, so I'm gonna leave this. If anything, I may just move it down a little bit more, putting something in between for them to be able to live life on. As you can see, thank you, ma'am, for modeling this, okay? So like you all saw when I built this, they still use it, they like it, don't you? Okay, thank you. You're using the nesting, or excuse me, the roosting bars where you all sleep. I appreciate that. Using everything, okay? And so you all see it in its current state, but now let's go ahead and make some changes, and then I'll talk through why I did what I did. And they did find the earthworm. Who ate it? Who ate it? Who got it? Was it you? I love your feathers. They look so beautiful. All right, let's make it. All right, great people. So I have these actually pallet chairs that I made out of pallet wood in previous lifetime. They're actually on this here channel, but nonetheless, I'm going to use these bad boys because they were just sitting in my wood pile, which is why I really don't trash a lot of stuff, which can lead to a mess in the yard. But nonetheless, here we have use for these bad boys, and so I'm going to use these as a perching station for the chicks because we know they love to be off the ground, in the air as much as possible. Also, there I have seating areas there on the chairs themselves, right? But absolutely, we have here wood that I'm going to put in between. So let me stop talking, show you what I'm doing, and then you'll be able to see them interact with it. I'm sure they're gonna jump on it so fast. All right, so now that I actually have it in the actual space, I'm looking like, man, it's taking up a lot of real estate, which I didn't expect it to be this big and bulky. However, I'm still cool with it. I'm still with it. I may just have to move this little chair out the way to the other side because one hen does sit on there quite regularly. So I might just move and shift everything over, lift and shift, and we'll be able to be good to go from here. And which, yeah, even moving that table, they're already loving where it's at right now, which it will not stay there. But nonetheless, hey, we're here. We're here, ladies. Okay, so let's keep it moving, y'all. All right, great people, so here we are in its new improved state. Again, some of the changes I did do was that I put the feeder area here. I hooked it onto the cow panel and have it dangling and hangling, in which that sounded hilarious, but anyway, that'll work out well. Their necks can stretch up in a great bit, so they'll be taken care of. Here the water system scenario is here for now, in which I'm gonna do an automatic water area back here, and so until then we have the bucket. I have to get one more piece, but then here we are. I built this here system scenario walkabout area, which you saw them use, as well as we have the chairs area for them to be able to sit. Right now they're just uber curious about what it is and if there's anything worth eating off of it, and so that's what's going on here. And yeah, they've already used that. And then we have their sleeping areas, in which when I put the nesting boxes there, I will attach this roosting bars to the back wall and create like a out area and then a slant and then a back in type area. So there's like 3 levels, but then opportunities for the ladies to be able to perch, sleep, and rest quite comfortably. This area I'll probably leave open, allow for them to like sunbathe and all of that, because we have this here area. All right, so overall, you don't want to overcrowd your area. You just want to make sure that they have places for them to perch, get off the ground when it's raining, or just in general when they want to rest. And so that's why I have like various areas, but then I have the middle area. You are pecking away, lady. But then I have the middle area in which they can just run, fly, jump, leap, whatever it is that they want to do in their chicken mind and their chicken world. They have this here middle area to be able to do so until the nesting boxes are in the back, but it won't intrude on them in their walking about area. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I will be making a change to the watering area, so definitely stay tuned for that. But the feeder area probably will have to expand as well, because they eat a lot. And when I mean a lot, I have to come out here once a week just to change those 2, as well as the feeder scenario. I have to do all of those. So these ladies eat, therefore I need to make sure something big is here for them, which I may use a 5-gallon bucket with some holes in it, but you know, stay tuned, lock in. You all will see those things too. All right, so lady is already up here. She's getting acclimated to what is, and thank you, ma'am. You did it well, you know. You all did what was necessary. And so let me get out of here because they are pecking away. All right, great people. So they served me well. Everything that I talked about, they participated in. And so, you know, that was cool. That was cool. You don't always get that. Chicken owners, you already know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this video is long enough. I'm just here to say thank you. I appreciate you all. You probably already tapped out, but nonetheless, I love you. I thank you. And hey, any questions, anything pertaining to chickens that you need help with or clarity on, or hey, how do I do this or should I do that? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll give it the opportunity for a video, okay? Till next time, love you. Peace.